Oh, girl. Oh, girl. These dumb little kids keep coming up in my yard, and it's pissing me the F off because they keep running their little scooter thing on our yard, and hello, they're being unsupervised running around the neighborhood. Who lets their kid run literally all over the neighborhood when they're like 4 years old? Like, who does that? Okay, if I was a parent, I sure as hell would not be letting my 4-year-old run around the entire neighborhood, running their scooter up in people's yards, ruining their grass. And I just wanted to say, okay, look at me now. Yeah, and then look at me in 9th grade, freshman year of high school. Yep, that's me. I had blue hair. Look at that. Blue hair. People thought I was a lesbian back then. Yeah. But it's whatever because, you know, I don't really care. Look at these dumb kids running around in their scooter thing. Ugh.